I love seeing things made from raw material all the way to a finished product. It's very fulfilling to see something that didn't exist start to exist because of the work you put into it. My name is Lucas Shearer. I work for Nivel. I'm the Production Supervisor of the Jake's product line. My role entails making the production schedule, creating work orders, communicating the work orders to my team, helping them set up, finding materials, just generally all the setup stuff. Making sure we're hitting our numbers and shipping out what we need to ship out. Troubleshooting, I'm usually like the first line of troubleshooting if there are any problems that arise. General overseeing the day-to-day of the manufacturing process. Quality control is of very high importance to us. We do our spot, we check all of our first run parts 100% and do spot checks regularly. We want to make sure that our customers are getting the highest quality they can receive. What makes the product special is we're putting all of our skill and effort into creating something, and we want to do it to an excellent degree. So the products that we're turning out, we want to be able to be proud of them. So we're definitely putting a lot of effort into it. That's one thing I enjoy about Nivel is we make all of our products here in our factory in Cairo and across the United States. So we have made in USA products. We're actually trying to employ Americans and make products in America, which I think is a great thing. It's important for a company to innovate because otherwise people get used to what your product line is and pretty soon they forget about it or don't think about it. So you always want to be challenging them with new ideas, new products, keep their interest. Yeah, Nivel, their innovation and the ability to create new products for newer parts or come up with new ideas for older models is really an asset to them. That's why other people are resting on the things they've done for 20 years. Nivel is making new things every year and really getting in the customer's face with new ideas and new products.